Hey there, Amar here, and if you've been struggling to build your email list and get quality traffic that actually converts, listen up because this is going to blow your mind. Build your list and get traffic for free and more for just $1. You are getting instant access to 5 high converting lead capture pages that are already designed, written, and optimized to turn cold visitors into hot leads. All you have to do is import them into your LeadsLeap account using simple share codes. But that's not all. You are also receiving 2 free exclusive traffic promo codes from trusted traffic websites, and then also 2 other promo codes after you upgrade for $1. So as soon as someone opts into the funnel for free, they will get 2 or 3 promo codes for free traffic. And if they upgrade for the one-time offer, for the $1 offer, they will get 2 more traffic promo codes for better conversions. Banner ads, solo ads, text ads, and even login ads. This means that you can start sending traffic to your new capture pages right away without spending extra on ads. This is a plug and play mini list building funnel. It is actually a complete system that you can import in few seconds. So these are the capture pages that you will get. They are highly performing. They have excellent headlines, subheadlines, and also bullet points. They invite your visitors to subscribe to your own email list to get access to free traffic promo codes. And if they upgrade for the $1 offer, they will get also the capture pages to duplicate the system themselves. So these capture pages are highly effective. Let me show you one of them. This is exactly how it appears on a screen computer, and it's also optimized for mobile devices. So the conversion rate of these capture pages is very high. People like to get free stuff, especially if it is traffic. After they opt in, they will receive a welcome email with 3 promo codes to get free traffic on traffic exchanges. And if they decide to upgrade from your affiliate link, they will get to duplicate the system, and you get 100% commission on the front end and 50% commissions on the rest of the funnel. And here is exactly the welcome email that your future subscribers will receive as soon as they opt in from one of your 5 high converting capture pages. They will receive this email as a welcome email. It's a high converting subject line. Want your first commission this week? It's a question mark. So they get inside the email, they read the email to explain the system, and then here is your affiliate link. This is your affiliate link that will allow you to make 100% commission on this $1 here, and 50% commissions on the rest of the funnel. And also the email gives them access actually to the traffic package that you promised them. 3 promo codes are already here, but they might go up 4, 5, or 10 promo codes. Now, this is real value your subscribers they are getting from the start. And after that, if you upgrade to the second one-time offer, you will receive actually 10 follow-up emails. I will show you that in a second. 10 plug and play money making follow-up emails. You can of course upgrade for this, and you put them with one click on your autoresponder on LeadsLeap. Of course, these subject lines are highly converting. They have a large open rate, and inside of each email, of course, there is lots of value already, but you can add to those emails if you'd like to. So if people do not convert from the first or the second email, they will certainly convert later. I will show you, of course, in a separate video how to set up everything together. It takes just a few minutes. Everything is like point and click, import and set up your, put your affiliate links on the right spots, and you will be good to go. You will have 5 capture pages that you can choose from, or just put them in a rotator and promote that rotator link so that you can know which capture page is converting the best. After that, they will receive a series of 10 emails that educates them and offers them more value. I will explain in a separate video exactly how to set up things, and I promise it will take you just few minutes. So don't hesitate, guys. This is the fastest and easiest way to start building a list and making money from your traffic, even if you are a complete beginner, and it's just $1. So click the link below this video to get instant access. Set it up in 10 minutes and you are in business.